I begin my day by waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I open my window and check the weather outside. It's a very beautiful sunrise. So after I take a cold shower to keep me more active, and then I put on my candle and try to manifest something into my life, and then I get my glass of water mixed with lemon.
Good morning, Dubai!
As I'm drinking and enjoying the sunrise, the weather is very beautiful. I like it. I take a deep breath as I enjoy the silence and everything around. Very peaceful, and I try my best to stay away from my phone for the first hour when I wake up. So I arrange my bed. I make sure that my bed is organized, and then I open the windows to get more light inside the room. I look at the weather outside. It's very nice. The sun is out. It's shining. So after I get my Bible and try to read the Word of God and pray and begin my day with the Word of God. I will chop off my watermelon and eat, and then after I will brush my teeth. I will get the soap and use cold water to wash my face. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to make scented soy candles for the home use and how I make my candles at home. And if you're a beginner, I will show you what you need to have to practice and make your candles at home. After washing, I'll get my face towel and try to dry up my face. And then I will start cleaning my whole apartment. Now put the new towel in the bathroom, trying to arrange the ground towels, cleaning the toilet and everything. Then I will take the trash outside. After I will arrange these washed clothes, and later I will iron them. So these are the towels we use, me and my husband, and beside those are the towels for the kitchen. So after I clean the sitting room, I'll clean the ground, the sofas, the carpet and everything. Yeah, so now I've finished. So this is where me and my husband sit as we're eating. So we'll also clean it. After I remove the utensils from the machine, so now I'm in the gym trying to make my body more active and fit. As you can see, so this other room here is where you can do your cardio and yoga. So after gym, coming home, I found my husband had ordered sushi. Wow, this is very nice. I like sushi very much. So I had to make a watermelon juice, which we ate with the sushi. So after eating, I went for a shower, and now I'm going to make the soy candles. So this is what you need. I put the description below there. So these are the requirements that you can have to exercise how to make candles. As a beginner, you can do this. And those are some of the essential oils that you need. Here I have vanilla, I have lemon, and more other. So you can order online in Amazon the candle kit, and then you can try at home to make your candles. As you can see, this is a small kit that I ordered. So I will put my warm water. I already boiled it, and then I will put the soy wax, and that's my thermometer. That's my temperature that I'm supposed to heat. So after my candle is ready, I will put it in the jar, the small jar, and I'll put more other. So I finished putting, they're almost dry. So I have to wait for 24 hours when they're dry, and then I will cut off my wick. So here my candles are ready. So I normally use them for my bathroom, for my sitting room, for my apartment. I use candles because they smell very nice, and I love very much the vanilla scent. I wish you could all feel the smell. It smells so nice, so good. So I made different candles. So this one I'll try and cut the wick. I think I put it somehow more. Yeah, and this candle also. So this candle I put a rose essential oil. It smells so nice, more of roses. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for more candle videos and more travel videos and everything. Thank you all for watching.